I'll go ahead and sign into my test account here. First thing we want to look at today is the new Classes for Today panel. The Classes for Today panel provides an at-a-glance view of all the classes that are running on a particular day. This makes it very easy for a parent to view what classes they have running. If I click on the Show All Class Information, it'll expand the panel and show me everything that's running for each of my students in my family on the current day. Here the customer portal is telling me I have 3 classes for Tuesday. I have 2 classes for Julian and 1 class for Crystal. You'll also note that 2 of these classes have virtual class links assigned to them. And this makes it super easy for your parents to just tap that button and join into a pre-recorded or a virtually held class. Let's also take a look at this from the student perspective. We go to our Family Information menu, click on Students, make sure we have Julian selected as our student, and go to a list of his current classes. From this screen, I can also see all of the classes that Julian's enrolled in, and any of the classes that have a virtual class link associated with them will also appear with a small button to join that class online. Let's take a look at these new features in our customer portal on a smartphone. I'm going to launch my web browser and take myself to my sign-in screen for the customer portal. Once I'm logged into my customer portal, I can see my to-do items and tap on those for quick tips and reminders of things I should do. And I also have the new section showing me all of the classes that are running for today, Tuesday. If I tap on the Show All Class Information button, it expands that section to show me all the details of the class information that's running.